Hello students, I Priyanka Manik Rao from Prabhat Kids School, Akola. Welcome to the science period. In the last period, we also completed the chapter Changes Around Us. In this period, we are going to start a new chapter Getting to Know Plant. Yes, in the last chapter, we already seen that the blooming of a flower or growth of a plant, they all are the changes, means they are the natural changes. So what happened? So what is the plants occurring around us? So what about this plant? Plant very essential role in the life. They all are the living things. So what happened? Plant provide us food, then they provide us fruits, vegetables. Also they maintain the ecosystem, means they provide us oxygen. So because of plants providing us oxygen, they maintain the ecosystem. Then so that's why they play the necessary role in the life. So we generally notice that or observe the plants in the school garden, or when we walking along the road, or in the parks, or at our homes. So many different variety of the plant we observe. So what happened? Some plants, if we observe closely, some plants are tall, some plants are short, some having the red color flower, some plants have the blue color flower, some plants have the very tiny roots, but some plants have the large bark. Yes. So as per their differences or as per their changes, the plants classified into different categories. But as per their different properties, we can classify the plants into three categories. So first, plant categorized into three categories. Then first is herbs, then second one is shrubs, then last one is trees. Yes, now as per their special kind of properties, they classified into herbs, shrubs and trees. Now what is herbs? Yes, sometimes herbs, shrubs and trees. So herbs means the plants having the green and soft stem, means one of the special property is they are the green in a color, green and soft stem color, means their stem is green and soft in nature. So all type of that plant they occurs in the herbs. Now some examples of herbs are wheat plant, paddy means rice, or cabbage, then tomato, mustard, sunflower, they all including into this kind, means herbs. Now what is the shrubs? Shrub means some plant have the stem branching out near the base, means some having the branching at the base level. So that this type of plants they occurring into the shrub, means their branching occurring at the base level, branching at base level. So this is the special property of shrub. So what is the example of shrubs? Hibiscus means China rose, lemon, then tulsi. These all are the examples of shrubs. Now what is trees? This is the special, means this is the very common category of the plant which we observe in our everyday life also. So what is the trees? How we identify this special type of tree? We classified on that special category. Trees means some plant are very tall, means one of the most important property is tall. Yes, then their branching at the upper side, means above the ground surface at upper side, means branching is occurs at the upper surface. So as per their special properties, these are classified into different categories: herbs, shrubs and trees. So many examples of trees are there. Then coconut trees, teak trees, pine trees, then sandal trees. So many examples you already know that. Then these all are the herbs, shrubs and trees. Now as per their properties, one table is given in your textbook. Now you have to observe this property, read this property in detail and fill this table. Then come to the next topic, that is creepers and crampers. So what is the creepers? Yes. Now what is creepers? Creepers means plant with a big stem. Then this type of plant have the big stem and that cannot stand straight. Okay. Plant with a big stem and that cannot stand in a straight way. So what happened? Means these having the big stem and they categorized into their new type, means we can say that this type is called as a creepers. So bottle gourd or watermelon, these are the examples of. Come to the next topic, what is the climbers? Yes, as per these creepers, those plants they involving into this category creepers, these plants having the big stem, they are able to stand on their own way. They do not maintain their balance. So that what happened? They take their support. Means by the help of or with the help of another plant or any other support, some plants climb and they completed their growth. For example, money plant, then pea plant or beans are the example of. So as per this topics, we already completed plants classified into three categories, means herbs, shrubs and trees. Then to the next point, that is different parts of plant. So what is different parts of plant? You always observe that the different variety of the plants having different parts. Part means the basically. Now come to the next point, that is the parts of plant. So plant having a different important parts. So plants have different parts and each of these parts perform their own specific particular type of function. So this part of a plant are divided into two subtypes. Means plant have the important parts are flowers, bud, leaves, stem and roots. But as per their properties, they are classified into two systems. Means this is the root system. Then this root system occurs at underground level. So these are called as a root system. And the parts which is occurs at above ground surface, means stem, leaves, bud, flowers, these all are the, we can say that these all parts of the plant, they occurs into the shoot system. So that type, these two systems are the important system of plant. Now the part of a plant that grows mainly under the ground, we can say that this part is called as a root system. So this part, flowers, bud, leaves, stem, they occurs or they obtain at the above ground surface. So we say that these are the shoot systems. Now what happened? Each of these part have their own particular type of functions. So in this period, we are going to introduce in short. So what is the function of roots? Roots, they absorb the water and essential nutrients and provide to the plant for the survival. Then same leaves prepare the food for plant. Then what happened? Some of the parts are the reproductive organs. So that type, each and every part of the plant, they are very important. Dear students, in this period we are studying different categories of the plant and different parts of the plant. Hope you got all points very clearly. Now you have to read the lesson and if you have any doubt or queries, so ask me through the end tab. Now for today, bye bye. See you in the next period. Then, thank you. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.